Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here at Siem Reap Angkor International Airport. So I'm walking to welcome my guests from Australia. So they are flying from Ho Chi Minh to Siem Reap, and they will be arriving at 1:30. But I have to be there 30 minutes before they land. So right now I'm taking the tourists to get the ticket, temple pass at the Angkor Enterprise. Right now I'm in front of the Angkor Wat Temple. Very dark, cold. It's windy today. To see the sunrise at the Angkor Wat Temple. We've been here since 5:20.
You guys can do it. That's fine. It's a little bit chilly.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. I'm really glad I took this one.
Yep, Francis.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Here, I'm here. 1, 2, 3.
Đá tôi hộ đến đâu.
Really?
Королевстве, там две симметричные библиотеки для короля. А для простых тогда где? На улице.